What is cracking, guys, in the terms of the great Honda vlogs? So hopefully you guys are having a pretty good day so far. As you can see, I'm a little sweaty, I'm a little hot. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset and frustrated. Just one of those days, you know. I haven't skated in probably like 3-4 weeks now. And when I went to Florida this past time, I set up a new board, and the board that I got, it came in my last batch of boards before my board sponsor went out of business, and he sent me like one last package, but he slightly changed the design on 1 or 2 of them. And this one that I'm riding now is literally like 1.5 inches, 2 inches shorter. And when you go from skating the same exact shape and style board for a couple years at a time, and then it switches up on you, oh, that's dark. Everything just doesn't feel right. And I don't know, just skateboarding things. If you guys skate, you'll probably understand. And then not to mention my freaking shoes. Like, these things are only a few sessions old, and they're literally like delaminating and like falling all over the place. So now I gotta buy new shoes. I think I have one more board that I can set up. But yeah, honestly, I mean, I'm stressing hard. I have not sold any bumper bar. Well, actually, sorry, Corey Durham, shout out to you, picking up a bumper bar on my big cartel last night. I got a package order up today, or make it and package it. But I'm just stressing because haven't sold much, haven't had much side work in. It's hard to get side work in right now. It's like, I don't know, people just, I get a lot of inquiries, but nobody that's actually spending money. And if you're, it's so frustrating when somebody hits you up and they're like, yo, blah blah, how much for this? And then you tell them, they're like, oh, okay, cool, I'll hit you up in like 6 months when I need it, or blah blah. And it's like, well, don't come to me now when you want it later. And just stuff like that. So I'm just stressing because of money and whatnot, trying to come up with content for the channel. I don't want to make just nothingness content. I know some of you guys just want content in general. So hopefully at least enjoy the few skating clips. I'm just getting my butt kicked out here. Like, it's already going on 100 degrees, I think. Yeah, it's about 93 right now. And it's 9 in the morning. Yeah, 9 in the morning. So I don't mean to start this video off complaining. I just kind of wanted to get that off my chest. Just freaking lonely out here. I just wish I had people to skate with consistently and people to regularly hang out with for doing extracurricular stuff, like besides just tinkering on a car, which is fun, but it's just not the same, you know? Anyways, let's figure something out to do today. We can at least go home and build up that bar for Corey Durham. I might have it already built. Let's go home and check. So I just got home now, checked my order status on the Big Cartel page, and it turns out Corey actually ordered a front and rear bar and a t-shirt. So huge shout out to you, Corey Durham. I know that's your Instagram handle as well, so I'm gonna actually go make these things up because I just went and double checked and I don't have either bars like already made up. So I have material for them, so I'm gonna go make them, and yeah, we'll get these things boxed up, made up for you, and get them on their way. Alright, so I thought I had some bars pre-made. I don't, must have sold them. But we got the fan going, so I do have material right here. And I should have some of these. So these are for the rears. So I may have to make some fronts. Or do I already have some? Oh, nope, I've already got some front ones already pre-made. Sweet, so this will be quick. Means all I gotta do is cut my main tube and get that bent up, so let's get to that. All right, well, we got these 2 bars done for Corey. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing cool on the fixture a little bit, and then I'm gonna go and get some lunch really quick because I am actually starving. But really quick shout out, I wanna give a big shout out to Zach Waitner, out in California. So he just ordered a front bumper bar himself. And I'm incredibly stoked because just like I said at the beginning of this video, I've been stressing so hard this last like 2 weeks about orders, and like, because it felt like everybody had just stopped ordering from me. My views on my YouTube are never really up or down. They're just kind of there, nothing spectacular. But also YouTube's a monthly paycheck and it's only a few $100 a month for me. And it's not like I'm completely broke, but if I don't have money coming in, obviously you guys know how it goes. It's just a struggle. So for me to get 3 bar orders and a shirt order in one day, I feel incredibly blessed. So thank you guys so very much. You guys don't really even understand how much that means to me. So if you guys would also like to go and order yourself some merch, the Big Cartel will be down in the description. I'm gonna let this one cool. Like I said, come back and we'll get started on Zach's order and we'll get them all shipped out. All right, we're back. Let's make this other bar, get this sent out, and go about the day. See what else we got going on. As for the middle of the day, absolutely nothing. It's hot. So I'm in here, got my little swamp cooler blowing on me. So we may come out this evening, and we'll see how far the video is right now. I'm not sure how long it is. Probably kind of long already because I got a lot of footage of me making these things. I wanted to give you guys a good perspective on what actually goes into these things. It's not super, I mean, it's not hard, but it's not like a 10-minute job either. When I'm making these things from scratch, like I have to for this one, it takes me about 45 minutes from start to finish, from cutting, bending, notching, grinding, flap disking, deburring, and welding. Alright, we got these bars all made up. I'm gonna go inside where the AC is, the actual air conditioning. I'm gonna box these things up and get them ready to ship. But yeah, not too long. I don't have my phone on. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, it took me about 30 minutes, so that's not bad. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy your bars. And if you guys again want to order yours, hit me up on Instagram at Sadowski Fabrication, or when I have a few extras laying around for material, I post them up on the Big Cartel, which is where these guys are there. So go check it out and get yours. But on that note, guys, I am actually going to end this video off here because I'm sure it's probably long enough by now. And yeah, I got some other stuff I got to do today, like run some errands and whatnot. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Again, merch at the Big Cartel. If you want to subscribe for more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, do what you love, forget about the rest, and we'll have some more DA content coming up for you shortly. And then until then, see ya. Peace. All right, so before I end this video really quick, I want to give one more shout out to Christopher Luna, because I don't know if you've been watching my Instagram or something all day, but you guys are killing it with these orders, so I can't thank you guys enough. But also, shout out to Monsieur Lazy. Wow, you are a rainbow right now. I don't know if it is the ring light behind you, but yeah, shout out Lazy Man Garage for being entertainment while we're in here. But I don't know what's up with the rainbow colors. That's not me. That's like the camera and the light ring or whatever. But anyways, guys, deuces.